The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that people of the Global South should no longer be excluded from the fruits of development, underlining that it must attempt to redesign global political and financial governance. Modi said most of the global challenges have not been created by the Global South, but they affect it more, and it is evident in the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, climate change, terrorism, and even the Ukraine conflict. He stated that while addressing the two-day virtual Voice of Global South Summit. The Prime Minister said India has always shared its development experience with the Global South, and its development partnerships cover all geographies and diverse sectors.
Global South have the largest stakes in the future. 3/4 of humanity lives in our countries. We should also have equivalent voice. Hence, at the 8-decade-old model of global governance slowly changes, we should try to shape the emerging order.